We'll guide you through how to make Sharpen CC a light motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press the Create New Project button to create a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by selecting the settings that you want to use. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button below the timeline to open the Add menu. Import the footage that you want to use into your project. After the footage has been added successfully, press the plus button again and add a rectangle layer to the timeline. Select the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen, then choose Stretch to Composition Area so the rectangle fills the entire screen. Once the rectangle has been prepared, open the Effect browser for the rectangle layer. Use the search bar to search for the Copy Background effect and add it to the rectangle layer. After applying the effect, open the Effect browser again and go to the Color and Light category. Find the Color Tune effect and add it to the rectangle. Next, open the Effect browser once more and go to the Blur category. Inside the Blur section, locate the Sharpen effect and add it to the rectangle layer. After adding the Sharpen effect, adjust its settings according to your preference until you achieve the result that you want. When you are satisfied with the Sharpen settings, open the Effect browser again and return to the Blur category. Find the Unsharpen Mask effect and add it to the same rectangle layer. After the effect has been added, adjust its values according to your preference until the overall result looks the way you want. Review the applied effects to make sure each one has been added correctly. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a sharpened color correction effect in Alight Motion.